Okay, I'm looking at Jalen and Dorothy. You're both very illustrative. So, Dorothy, I'm going to start with you. Okay, so I'm disappointed to see you didn't work on this logo at all. If you zoom in, there's still little issues here and there, and they will show up in with well printed paper. So I don't think this logo is really helping you at all. I don't know what kind of job you want. Maybe it doesn't matter because you're trying to get a 2D animation job. But if you're trying to go for graphic design or illustration, it will affect your portfolio because they're not just looking at your creativity, they're looking at attention to detail. All right, that's it. I'm not going to bring it up again. All right, so as far as graphic design, what you want to do to get a neat look, an organized look, is if you take the longest line and then you adjust all the type size and style to reflect that line. That way it doesn't look like you're just kind of jamming it in there. And then also you want to select them all and use the align tool to get a nice tight line all the way through like you did with the numbers. Okay, right. Typography, okay. All right, very good. All right, you got that done. Strokeless, maybe that has an E if I were to guess. Strokeless. I like the alternative color. I don't think you want to tell people how to use your logo. What designers usually do is they provide the logo. They don't tell people how to draw it illustratively. So this is cute. But you, as the creative director of your brand, you don't want to encourage people to take it into their own hands. You want to provide people with the finished product. All right, it looks cute though. Yeah, this is fun, isn't it? Doing the wrong thing. Duh, look what you've done. All right, printed material. Okay, cool. The clear space looks great. You don't want anything around that area. And then you go right into breaking it right here. So keep that in mind. You've defined the clear space as this entire area, but then right underneath you've broken it. So consider making that logo half that size so you can respect the definition that you've already created. Also, you know, this is way too large. You might have it in Greeking. It doesn't matter. Nobody is going to get a letter that long and read it in a business setting. So it might be about that long. So just edit it to put in real type. Also might want to put in a stamp just for the authenticity. And you know, you really got to spell check and start taking this class a little more seriously. I know you were added late, and maybe you're in a hurry, but I believe you've caught up by now. So I want to see a little more effort with this. So with that in mind, I am just going to make this video for you. All right, let me know if you have any questions and send me a note if you're having problems with deadlines or understanding instructions and that sort of thing.